Welcome back. You're watching 2020. It's now time to get you an update on what's making news in the world of business. Now over to our business reporter Sania Farooqi for this segment.
Thank you so much. Hello and welcome to Business Line with me, Sania Farooqi. As the prices of gold surges, lesser shoppers are expected to turn up during this year's Akshaya Tritiya, the auspicious time to buy gold. We have more update on that. It is considered to be the fourth most auspicious day in the Hindu calendar. Akshaya Tritiya is the best time to bring home Goddess Lakshmi in her auspicious form. People all across invest in gold as it is considered to be an auspicious metal. But with the gold prices soaring high, this year's sales have been affected.
Overall, if you see this year, I should say that the volumes have come down a little bit. In the sense that the buying pattern remains the same in terms of value. But since the price has gone up per gram, the volume has come down. See, the buying pattern remains the same among the consumers. The volume of gold has come down.
Gold sellers, on the other hand, are optimistic. They say this is the time when they expect people to make their maximum purchase of gold. Shops have advertised attractive offers to influence customers.
During this season, definitely the jewellery industry will have all the best items. And this is the earlier October month of Diwali was the period where we used to have all the new things. But Akshaya Tritiya, which will prosper them, so they are interested to buy for their children's marriage or for any other functions. So they want the most latest one, and we have a very good collection, and the entire market also have gathered.
But customers want to be wise while they invest in gold during this Akshaya Tritiya. Though spending money on gold is a preferred investment in Tamil Nadu, people now wait for the price to dip.
Okay, I actually waited for the prices to drop. Today the prices have dropped by 382 or something. So I took this opportunity to come here and buy some gold just as an investment.
I always thought gold as a really good investment.
The auspicious time to buy gold has already begun, and the price will make all the difference this season. With camera person Devraj, Sania Farooqi for NDTV Hindu. Joining us today in the discussion is Mr. Shivram, Vice President, World Gold Council. Hello and welcome to the discussion, sir. Now, gold prices have soared in the past, but customers and people, especially people, are still opting to invest in gold. What do you think this trend will continue in the near future?
Well, the reason is simple why they're opting to invest in gold. Because gold has given a return of about 28% in year 09. And the fact that gold is extensively used in weddings and is also a great portfolio diversifier. People having a large portfolio amongst a basket of investment options, gold balances out.
So what about gold reserves that have been built up by families across India? How does that affect liquidity?
Well, it doesn't affect it. In fact, it becomes so very resilient, gold. It is estimated that there are about 18,000 tons plus of gold in the Indian public. And perhaps that's what has made our economy so very strong. We have not had shocks like what the US has had. And we are rolling on, with the kind of savings that we've acquired over the ages.
So do you think, do we really sell our gold, or is it an old school method of security? Why aren't people opting for mutual funds?
Well, exchange traded funds is another form of investment in gold. In fact, ETFs are in a nascent stage in India, but then in the US, the World Gold Council's SPDR fund is one of the biggest, and they have about 1,100 tons of gold backed by physical gold. And in fact, it's given, in the recent past, they've added another 3.5 tons just 2 days ago, which goes to show that it sort of redefines gold as a very important asset class.
All right. Great, that's great. Thank you so much. Back to you, Ram.
Well, thank you, Sania. News just coming in. A committee has been formed by DIG of Prisons, Mr. Govindraj, to probe into the allegations made by Nalini Sriharan. Nalini had